everyone, my name is Evetrina Rizkyati. This is my speaking practice assignment. Today I'm going to answer some questions about online learning in higher education. Before I start, I would like to say that education is very important in our life. In my opinion, education is not only about studying but also a process of developing knowledge, skills, and character. Higher education helps students become more independent, responsible, and prepared for their future career, especially in modern learning system like online learning. Now let's begin. Have you ever studied online? Yes, I have studied online. I started online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic when all schools and universities were closed for almost 2 years. All my classes were conducted through online platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. At first, it was quite interesting because I could study from home and manage my own time more freely. However, after some time, I realized that online learning requires a lot of self-discipline and responsibility. Sometimes I feel tired because I had to look at the screen for many hours, and I also had problems with internet connection, which made it difficult to follow the lessons smoothly. Because of that, I often had to review the material again by myself after class. So to answer the question, yes, I have studied online and I still take some online classes because they are flexible and convenient. This experience also show that online learning helps students become more independent, which is an important function of education. Is online learning popular in your country? Is it possible to study your subject online? The answer is yes. Online learning is become more and more popular in my country, especially after the pandemic. Many universities now use a hybrid system which combines online and offline learning. However, in some rural areas, online learning is still difficult because of limited internet access and lack of devices. And now for the second question, my subject is English education. In my opinion, is it possible to study my subject online because most of the material are theoretical. For example, students can watch recorded lectures, read digital materials, and submit assignment online. In addition, in my class, we sometimes use PowerPoint presentation and online group discussion. This helps us understand the material better even in online learning. However, I believe that some practical activities are still better done in online classes, especially when direct interaction is needed. In terms of the learning process, online learning usually involves attending virtual classes, participating in discussion, and completing assignment through digital platforms. So overall, the process is different from traditional face-to-face learning, but still effective if managed properly. What are the main differences between online and face-to-face learning? That is very good question. In my opinion, there are three main differences. First, interaction. In face-to-face learning, I can In face-to-face learning, I can directly interact with my teacher and classmates. I can ask questions immediately and get instant feedback. But in online learning, interaction is more limited because sometimes students do not turn on their cameras and communication feel less active. Second, flexibility. Online learning is more flexible because I can study whenever and anytime. I can also rewatch recording if I do not understand the material. However, this flexibility also has disadvantages in it is very easy to get distracted by social media, my phone, or even noise from my surrounding at home. Third, learning environment and process. In offline classes, discussion happen more naturally and group work is easier. But in online learning, sometimes there are technical problems such as weak internet connection or audio issue which can interrupt the learning process. For example, when I study at home, I sometimes get distracted by notification or background noise, which make it harder to focus compared to studying in a classroom. From different perspectives, students may enjoy the flexibility of online learning, but teachers may find it more challenging to manage participation and engagement. Different perspective. Different people have different perspectives on online learning. From the student perspective, online learning is convenient and flexible. From the teacher perspective, it can be challenging because students are sometimes less active in class. From the parent perspective, they may worry about their children's focus and learning quality. From the institution perspective, they are concerned about maintaining the quality of education. So we can see that education should be understood from many different perspectives, not just one point view. Which do you prefer, online or offline learning? Personally, I prefer offline learning, especially for difficult subject, because I can understand better through direct explanation and interaction. However, I also think online learning is very useful for flexible study and simple theoretical subject. If possible, I will choose a combination of both method because I believe it gives the best learning experience. In conclusion, online learning is important part of higher education today. Is many and advantages that as flexibility and accessibility, but it also has challenges such, such as limited interaction and distraction. In my opinion, combining online and offline learning is the best solution for modern education. Okay, thank you for watching my speaking practice video. I hope it was clear and useful. See you.